So step 2, what it is happening, it undergoes amination. We are getting the 4 amino 1 diethyl amino pentane. What it is, step 3, what it is happening, 4,7 dichloroquinone it is we prepared first step. Second step, product 4 amino diethyl amino pentane, it is condensed. Elimination of hydrochloric acid, we are getting 7 chloro 4 4 diethyl amino, that is we are getting whatever compound our chloroquine we prepared. Okay, this is IUPAC name. Next, hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine, the structure of hydroxychloroquine, that is the IUPAC name, 2,4,7 chloro 4 quinolyl amino pentyl ethyl amino ethanol. This is the synthesis of hydroxychloroquine. Synthesis, it is like step 1, we have to prepare 4,7 dichloroquinoline. It is condensed with 4 amino 1 and hydroxy ethyl amino pentane. Condensation reaction, we are getting the elimination of hydrochloric acid, hydroxychloroquine. So amodiaquine, it is the structure of 7 chloro 4 3 diethyl amino methyl 4 hydroxy anilino quinoline. See, little difference only there, students. Just you see, that is chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine. Chloroquine, hydroxyl group it will be. Amodiaquine, it will be a amine group it will be. That is the difference. You see, just differentiate and study. So, what is the use of hydroxychloroquine? It is used for the both prophylaxis treatment, for prophylaxis and treatment of malaria. Okay. See here, amodiaquine, it is the structure. Synthesis, first step 1, preparation of 4 amino 2 diethyl amino methyl phenol. Okay. Here. Starting compound, it is para-acetamidophenol, undergo reaction with formaldehyde, diethylamine. It is managed reaction. Based on the managed reaction and condensation reaction on elimination of water, we are getting that acetamido derivative. Second, the product hydroxyl converted to ethylamine, diethylamine. Okay, so this after hydrolysis we are getting what is that, 4 amino 2 diethyl amino methyl phenol. Okay, this is step 1. Next is step 2, preparation of 4,7 dichloroquinoline we have to prepare. We prepared in that chloroquine, that is hydroxychloroquine, that previous synthesis you referred that one. So this is method 2 for preparation of 4 amino 2 diethyl amino methyl phenol. Okay, step method 1 and 2 are there. Okay, don't get confused. This is method 2 for the step 1 product. So 2-chloromethyl and 4-nitrophenol, it is condensed with diethylamine, elimination of that is hydrochloric acid. You know that already what it is, that nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, that hydrogen and Cl it will eliminated. Next, reduction takes place. We are getting 4 amino 2 diethyl amino phenol. Next, step 3, we have to condense the product of step 1, step 2, that is 4,7 dichloroquinoline and 4 amino, that step 1 product and step 2 product condensed. So we eliminated HCl, we are getting that amodiaquinine. So thank you, students. See you again next class.